Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to export TradingView data. Alright, let's begin. First, open TradingView and log into your account. You need to be signed in to access your charts and data features. Once logged in, navigate to the chart of the instrument you want to export, whether it's a stock, currency, or commodity. Make sure the chart is set to the correct time frame, as the export will only include data visible on your screen. Next, adjust the visible data range by zooming out or scrolling on the chart to load the historical data you need. Now, open the Chart Options menu by clicking the down arrow on the toolbar. From the list, select Export Chart Data. TradingView will then generate a downloadable CSV file. Note that this feature is behind a paywall, so you will need to get a paid plan first. After downloading the file, it will look something like this. This file will include details like date, time, open, high, low, close, and volume. Save the file to a convenient location, then open it in Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets for analysis. So that's basically how you can export TradingView data. That's it for this video. Thanks!